Hey guys, Kevin here with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, talks to some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're back with a Tech Tuesday, and we had talked in the previous segment about the microphone settings, depending upon which microphone you're using. And I had mentioned that we will go into the camera settings a little bit, talk a little bit about that. Won't go real in depth, but we want to cover a few things that we've had some issues with. Some of you guys out there asking us and saying, "Hey, I got an echo, or I have an issue with feedback within OBS or any recording, whatever it may be." I mean, you'll get an echo depending upon if you're doing live streaming, if you're not using OBS, you're just using a camera. So these are some of the helpful tips that we have ran into, and we wanted to help you out with that. So we're going to go right in here, and you'll see we have the webcam. So I'm within OBS here, got a cool backdrop setting here that we had taken a picture of from the side of stage. This is actually a Jurassic World show, so it was really cool. So we took some pictures there. Wanted to show you guys that. So we'll go into the webcam, and you'll see that pop up here and show you guys here. Right now we're using the Logitech Brio. So I'm not sure what you guys are using. If you want to put in the comments below what you're using or what you have issues with. But sometimes within if you're using a desktop or a laptop, however you're recording, iPad, I'm not sure what you may be using, but a lot of them kind of tie into each other, meaning this issue will arise on all of these. So like when we go into the Logitech Brio, the Brio is here, and then we have like a snap camera, the OBS camera. There's quite a few cameras that we can use, but we use the Logitech. Now within the Logitech, there's configure settings within Logitech, and there's also within your OBS. We do have, this is the big thing, the Logitech Brio does come with a microphone within the camera. So if you have that microphone on, and your Yeti microphone, which we had talked in the previous section about having the Yeti and using that as a microphone pickup, if you have these two on, then they conflict. Basically what's happening here, in quick terms, is they're both picking up feed from you talking, so they're gonna echo. So always make sure whenever you're doing any live streaming, any recordings, that you only have one microphone on. That's why you'll see a lot of times, even when we do the channel for Gavin a Good Time too as well, and you'll see a lot of gamers. That's why they have the headsets here. You see, that's why they have the headsets on, and utilize those so they can hear the gaming coming from the system that they're using, depending upon the computer, if it's on the iPad or PlayStation, Xbox, whatever you're using. That's why they always have a headset on, so they can hear the gaming, hear everything that's going on, and hear the other people that are within, if they're doing live streaming and they're playing with other gamers. So if you're doing recording training, or even if you're doing, you'll see a lot of times with live chat or anything like that, you'll see there's a microphone on there too that will also pick up feed. If you're talking with somebody and doing live streaming, and it has multiple people talking, just like on Google Meets or whatever it may be that you're using, and there's several people on there, that's why they'll actually turn off their mics, because all that feedback will come back through their system and then onto your system, and it'll echo. You won't hear anything. It sounds terrible. So if there's something out there that you're stuck on, or that we can help you out with, just let us know. Or if there's something that we may not know, and of course we're always learning here, and we always like to help out, and we always appreciate all you out there helping us too as well. And we just kind of want to put these helpful tip videos out there, just for any beginners or anybody that's out there that's been doing this for a while, to just maybe held up on one thing. So until next time, we hope to see you guys on the next segment.